Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the standard size pillow mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and then once you're there you'll see a couple of options. So we'll click on Playful Pixlr X, and then click the Open Image button on the left hand side, and then we're going to find the mockup and just open that up. So once we do that, it's going to ask us if we want to downsize the image. We don't want to do that, so we'll just click on Original to open the full-size image. Now to add your design, you're going to want to click on this bottom icon on the left-hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then to add an image off your computer, we'll click the top one, Browse. And we'll just find the design that we want to add to the pillow. It's going to ask us if we want to add this image as a layer in the current document or create a new document. So we'll click Add Current to add it to this image. And you're probably going to want to resize it once it comes in. So to do that, just hold down the Shift key to keep it proportionate, and then just click on drag on any one of the four corners. And I'm dragging in to make it smaller. You can drag out to make it bigger, all the while holding down the Shift key. And when you think it's about the right size, just hover over it until you see the little 4 arrow tool, and then just click and drag it into place. And that's pretty much all there is to adding your design to the JPEG pillow mockup. When you're done, you can just click the Save button at the bottom here. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail on sites like Etsy, you'll want a JPEG version. So we'll just click JPEG and then change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high and then just click Download. It's going to let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder on our device. And it'll also give us an option to change the folder where the files get saved if you want to do that. You can also save the original layered Pixlr document by clicking the Save button again, and then selecting PXD this time, and then clicking Download again. Please message me if you have any questions at melissabmockups.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.